But,
or simple mobile?
I mean,
that's not if it's cracked again. You know, that's just if it's a bad part or something. Okay, if it cracks, we can't prevent that, and that's why we can't warranty it.
Chips activated, and the other chip down. Hello? Yeah, we're in your other store over here. Well, we
Hold on,
we are Simple Mobile customer.
Mom.
And your colleague here in your store said that you have Samsung phones. Can you check if you have the phone? Because we don't want to walk down there unless you have the phone.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
You said S3 or S2?
S2.
S2, it would be an S2 for Simple Mobile.
It says AT&T on the phone.
It says AT&T on the phone.
Excuse me, but there are some S2 phones exist that say T-Mobile on them, right? No. So they don't have them, right?
Is it a Galaxy
How do you
S2?
know? You don't carry them at all? Or?
We don't carry that at the moment. You know, it always changes, but at the moment.
What's a Summit? A Samsung Summit?
There might be a Samsung Summit there, but I know for sure they have a Galaxy S2 in stock at that location.
But is there a reason they don't carry T-Mobile? Because it's like less frequent or what? Or-
Simply because the phones we have are kind of a random selection of what comes in,
Mhm.
and you know, we don't specifically prepare
Your colleague here says he
for
knows
any
that this
occasion.
morning
You know,
there's an
we can get a
S2
T-Mobile
stock
for you, but
at your location.
we don't have it now. It would take 3 to 5 business days to get one.
Is it because like it's very infrequent that people don't use it much or what?
Yes.
Why is that? Is it like the service is not good or what?
That question I can't answer. I'm sorry.
How much is it, by the way?